steps that go with the stamp and pickup. There are 3 of these: single, double and triple. There is 1 break. The break stays the same whether you do single, double or triple time steps with stamp and pickup. If you don't remember how to do pickup, then I have a whole video on all different pickups, so go back and look at that before commencing with this. Also, it would be helpful if you go back and look at my single, double and triple normal time steps, as that will remind you the difference that we have to insert in the middle of all time steps when changing from single, double or triple. Single time step with stamp and pickup. We start always with the right foot in tap dancing, and we will do a stamp with it to face the left diagonal front. Then we will do the pickup. Remember, turn up the toe. In one movement, you're going to slap the ball back where the heel is now, all one sound. Hop, spring, turning to face the right diagonal front. Hop, spring. Forward tap with the left foot to the right diagonal front, and a ball change. Now we go forward, back, because the foot was forward after the forward tap. Now we start with the left foot to the right diagonal front. Stamp, pick up, hop, spring to turn, forward tap, ball change, front, back. And again, stamp, pick up, hop, spring, tap, ball change. 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 Remember, as you get better, you'll make much smaller steps and make your time steps more compact. It will help with the speed. It will also help with balance. So if you find you're quite wobbly dancing, if you actually speed it up, that does help. It's actually very wobbly to do anything slow for beginners. So let's try to make them again. Remember, start them quite big so you know where you're going. Also, I do them bigger so you can see better what to do. So, stamp, pick up, hop, spring, tap, ball change. 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 Slow again. Stamp, pick up, hop, spring, tap, ball change. 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 And that is a single time step with stamp and pick up. Go now to watch double time step with stamp and pick up. And then don't forget also to look out for the video of how to do the break that goes on the end of time steps with stamp and pick up. Before you do that, don't forget to subscribe and add a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Until next week, goodbye.